day that he got it?
I was there. I was there. It was especially gratifying to see him get it because he never did graduate from high school. He couldn't because, as I mentioned in the book, he was 17 when he had to quit high school. For a long time, before I started researching the book, I couldn't understand why he only went through 2 years of high school at the age of 17, because most people had either graduated or were going to be graduating the following year. But when I researched, I found out that, of course, his father was so sick that he wasn't able to spend a lot of time at school. He was at the store more often. So I'm sure he must have made arrangements with his teachers. But for that reason, he had to quit school and take over the business after his father died.